Alright, welcome back to Cooking with the Couchsurfer. And today we have Khaled from Jordan. And what are we gonna cook today?
I will cook to you Yemeni food.
Yemeni food.
Yemeni food. I will transfer the Yemeni kitchen to your home.
Wow.
The Yemeni food is one of best food for me.
Alright. Yeah, excited to try. I don't think I ever tried Yemeni food before. Alright. Hello everyone! Okay, so I'm gonna show you a very powerful tool in the kitchen. This small box. Have a look now.
That's very nice.
It took me 5 seconds. So the ingredients we have here.
Sweet tomato.
No. Pepper.
Sweet pepper. Onion. Green onion. Tomato. Potato. Tomato paste. Tomato. Tumeric. Beans. Cumin. And cinnamon. Water. First thing we prepare chicken Oqda. We put that chicken inside the boiled water. We add cinnamon. Then we add a little bit of cardamom, a little bit from salt. We remove the chicken from the pot to the pan. Now we put it inside the oven. We add some onion to the oil. Cut the sweet pepper in small pieces. Add 1 spoon of tomato paste, some salt. We add a little bit of cumin, curry, tumeric, cardamom, pepper, tomato.
You have to show this video to your mother and she will be proud of your cooking.
Yeah.
So, if you would recommend Jordan, what is the 3 top reason why someone should visit Jordan?
The first thing is butter. The second thing is the food. You can try, we have a special food, kunafa, falafel, minced. But for me is the best thing is Yemeni food. I don't eat Jordanian food.
So you prefer Yemeni food?
Yes,
to
I prefer
Jordanian.
Yemeni food than Jordanian food.
Interesting.
And the third thing due to hospitality. Garlic. We cut the chicken in small pieces. With the oil.
Alright, now we're gonna start with the second dish.
Is Yemeni bean.
Yemeni bean.
Now add sweet pepper. It's soft tomato. We add the coriander. We add the salt.
It didn't come anything.
We mash the beans and we add it to the pan. Olive, tomato paste.
Second dish,
Is ready.
ready. Now, third dish.
Shakshuka. We added the tomato, add onion, green onion, Mix the spices. Oil. Now the third dish is ready.
Alright, food is ready. There's 3 different dishes here. And what do we have here?
Bean. Shakshouka. Chicken Oqda.
Wow, this is gonna be very interesting. And we eat it with this.
This is special bread. You take this.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. It was like in Yemen?
Yeah. Almost, not exactly.
Almost. Okay. This, you just...
This is big one, but
Oh,
it's okay. You can
Green.
try how it will be.
delicious. It's super good. I'm gonna go to Yemen and after the war and try
You
this
should
food.
go now. Before the
It would be very cheap, but not the safest country to visit right now. But yeah, food super good. Promise you.
And this is like 3 kinds. Like there's
3 dishes.
3 dishes. There is like more than 30 kinds of Yemeni food. This is some of multiple kinds.
So 2 of these are vegetarian, like this one, no meat. This one, no meat, and
This is non-vegetarian. This
on
is chicken.
Yeah. So yeah, ideal for vegetarians, and also if you want to add meat, you can add. This food was amazing. Some of the better food I tasted in a long time, especially here in my home. It's been amazing. Try it. Try to make some of this. I promise you it will be good.
زوروا النرويج واحكوا مرحبا لإيفن واشتركوا بالقناة.
See you in the next video.